Bitcoin might decline 1.9% by February 11, Traders Union reports. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. At the moment, Bitcoin is showing a 0.7% gain since yesterday and trades close to $68,914.40. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. Traders Union sees the level at $67,616.19 by February 11th, which means a fall of 1.9%. Crypto Predictions expects Bitcoin may move lower towards $68,414.34, a decrease of about 0.7%. Cryptonization points out it could head towards $69,001.10, about 0.1% higher. Another estimate from CoinPrice Forecast highlights Bitcoin might advance towards $69,286, about 0.5% above now. To conclude, Gov Capital Collector projects $70,851.86 by February 11. That's 2.8% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. We've heard from all five. Let's continue the analysis. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decrease of 1.9% and an increase of 2.8%, depending on the analyst. It appears Gov Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return, with 2.8% increase in value by February 11. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $1 and $28 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, Cryptonization's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 94.2% chance of success. With the five forecasts aligned, I've highlighted the overall consensus scenario. According to consensus, Bitcoin is expected to hold near $69,033.90. Okay, here's the closer look. Consensus expectations highlight a 0.2% upward move in price under present conditions. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 0.2% reflecting that same shift. In terms of 1,000, the projection might equal $2 in potential gain. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 93.9%. To get a clearer view, let's see how analysts anticipate the next 3 days. Traders Union highlights building pressure to the downside. Additionally, Crypto Predictions expects a bearish continuation. According to Cryptonization, the market outlook is neutral and suggests minimal changes in the near term. For this horizon, CoinPrice Forecast sees Bitcoin heading higher. The direction outlined by Gov Capital Collector also points toward further gains. The consensus forecast highlights that Bitcoin may face pressure to the downside over the 3-day period. Overall, 60% of forecasts highlight a higher path for Bitcoin. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they turned out. Ultimately, the final price landed near $70,140.70. With the market moving this way, the majority of forecasts were correct. Judging by accuracy, Gov Capital Collector had the most exact forecast. Time to sort through the results more carefully. Yesterday's trading range included 3 forecasts. Looking at ROI, several forecasts delivered gains, and 30 rates came out on top with 3.7%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow recorded -1.1% ROI with $2,541.08 accuracy. Take a guess. Who do you think gave the most accurate forecast? Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Bitcoin is positioned 5th, while Polygon dominates tomorrow's outlook with 1.5%. Only 5 cryptocurrencies are included in this section, and a wider comparison of forecasted returns across many assets will also appear on my website and Telegram. Subscribe now so you're the first to see how forecasts shift tomorrow. See you around.